Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Look, if you have an LLC startup and you're trying to get net 30s and you're trying to figure out which net 30s to get, well, understanding that I'm not a big fan of net 30s, but I would tell you the net 30s that build up your foundation, I would probably start with NAV Business, okay? Now, with NAV Business, because they give you your Experian Business Credit Report, they give you your Dun & Bradstreet Business Credit Report, and they give you your Equifax Business Credit Report, Now, they also will show you your personal credit scores, but you just have to keep in mind with their personal credit score, they are giving you a Vantage 3 credit score instead of a FICO score, okay, on that. Now, the cost in order for them to report, and they report to Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet, but you have to spend between $30 to $50, okay, in order to get NAV to report, all right? But it's worth it because, again, if you're trying to build a foundation of your business and you want business trade lines reporting on the major 3 business credit bureaus, then that's where you would want to start with. Now, the second one is eCredible. Now, eCredible, because you can report your utility bills. You can report subscriptions, all right, to help on your business credit file. Now, with eCredible, it's a $50 setup. And it's a $10 monthly fee, okay? $50 setup and a $10 monthly fee. Now, sorry guys, my rabbit playing with my feet. But that being said, Experian, they report to Experian, Equifax, Dun & Bradstreet, and Sonia, and Credit Safe. So they're reporting to 5 different accounts. Now, let me say something before I talk about these other net 30s, and I think this is going to help a lot of you guys. I know that you may be dealing with setting up bank accounts with credit unions like Navy Federal, so you can get their business credit card and business line of credit, or you set your business account up with a community bank. But I'm going to tell you this. Most credit unions, I don't know of any credit unions or community banks that actually report your business activity. Now, the banks that actually report the most of your business activity would be Citibank. Citibank reports to Experian, Equifax, Dun & Bradstreet, Small Business Financial Exchange, okay? Then you have Chase. Chase reports to Equifax, Small Business Financial Exchange, and Dun & Bradstreet. Then you have Capital One. Capital One, they report to Experian, Equifax, Small Business Financial Exchange, and shared with Dun & Bradstreet. American Express, they report to Small Business Financial Exchange, and that information is shared with Experian and Dun & Bradstreet. Wells Fargo reports to Small Business Financial Exchange. They do not report to Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet gets your business information from Small Business Exchange, okay? So that you can have some clarity of who reports to what. But those are the top banks that you want to at least have one account. You can have multiple accounts for your company, but make sure that you have one of those gatekeepers, okay? That's very important. And I will tell you something else. Make sure you're doing weekly deposits, all right? Even if you just started your business or you're looking to start your business, if you're looking to start your business and you need help with the right structure, click the link in the description. Schedule one-on-one consultation, because some people have chosen to do things on their own and they really messed up their situation and they end up starting over. So to save yourself time, money, to keep you from starting over, click the link and schedule a one-on-one consultation before actually starting your business, all right? That being said, if you're doing weekly deposits, this is going to help with your business bank rating, all right? This is so important. And I'll tell you something else that's more important than a DUNS number, a PAYDEX score. Okay, and net 30s, all right? And that is making sure that you have a website and you have a corporate email. Those 2 entities are becoming very important. A lot of even net 30 companies, when they look at your file, if they see that you don't have a website, or if they see that you have like a Gmail or AOL or something like that type of email instead of a corporate email, professional email, they will deny you. okay? That can be grounds for denial, and I don't know why, but they like to see a more professional setup. And for you as a business owner, you should want to have a more professional setup anyway. So to set up your website and stuff like that, click the link in the description to get access to the hosting as well as the website. And if you need help with setting it up, we can help you set it up. That being said, talking about these other net 30s. Now, you have Maverick office supplies. Now, with Maverick office supplies, they don't actually offer office supplies. They actually offer digital learning products, okay? Now, since they only offer digital learning products, they report to Equifax, CreditSet, and Cortera, okay? That's who they report to. Now you have Ohana Business Supplies. They'll give you a net 30. If you spend $80, then they'll give you a $2,000 trade line, okay? Now, that $2,000 trade line, they said it will report to Experian. Now, for some of you guys that are watching this video, if you use any of these net 30s, and let me know, how long did it take them to show up for you? All right, but I would tell you the key in order to build up your business credit, and we have one more net 30 we're going to talk about, and that's wise business plan. Now, wise business plan, especially if you're trying to get like a loan or a grant or something like that, wise business plan, they actually write out your business plan for you. Now, they offer other business credit products as well, but they used to report to Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. They changed. Now they just report to Equifax and Dun & Bradstreet, to my understanding. All right. Now, for those of you that at least have a 580 credit score, I would tell you probably want to look at the Capital One Spark business card, the gold card, okay? Because all you need is a 580. So if you're able to get $3,000 with a 580 credit score, why not? Okay, why not try to get that card? And the interesting thing about it with Capital One, like I've said in other videos, sometimes if you had a Capital One card and that card went bad and it's been over a year with the charge off, they may still let you qualify for the business credit card and not hold that personal credit card against your business. All right. Now, if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.